Good night, CG. How are you?
Good night. Good night. How are you?
Next to CG here, Dr. Dixon and CG Wilson. CG Wilson, this is the first time you're attending a JAHJAH event.
And Garvin, I would not have missed it for the world. In fact, I had another event tonight, and I had to make sure that I sent coverage to the. Yes, because I promised, because I have to spread the love, and Dr. Dixon is doing, and his team is doing such a marvelous job, not just here in the U.S., but especially in Jamaica. And so I just wanted to ensure, and whatever time I call him is always available to help us at the consulate with whatever we need. And so I just had to make sure that tonight I show up to support Dr. Dixon.
Well, thank you for being here, and I hope you have a beautiful night. You're looking very regal, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I also want to tell you that likewise, CG, whenever I call on CG to help and assist with issues in Jamaica that concerns JAHJAH Foundation, she always steps up and she always supports the JAHJAH Foundation. So I'm sure it was a natural choice to choose JAHJAH tonight.
Absolutely.
Thank you for choosing JAHJAH. Remember, always choose JAHJAH.
JAHJAH, of course. One love.